We should be coming up on Little Duck River. Tennessee 53 is to the left. I don't see a 41 sign. Interstate 24. Okay, yeah, this is South 41. Okay. I wonder if there's any access here. We could look over the bridge. This is Sunday, May the 12th, Mother's Day, May the 12th, 2024. 112, 64 degrees. In Manchester, I guess, close to at least Manchester, Tennessee. Y'all want to sell me one of those Chevrolet vans real cheap? Cheap, cheap, cheap. There is access down there. Yeah, we're going to drop over to the right, because we're going to be going slow. Welcome to Manchester. Manchester, Tennessee. We don't have Manchester, Tennessee either. Getting up close to your land, Derek. Up close to your place. That Manville is up there up behind us somewhere. We're going to go through town right here. We're going to turn left and go through town. Get Manchester. Like that. We may get a picture of that for our Manchester. Tell you what we might do. I think we're going to stop and walk around a little bit. We're going to park right here and walk around a little bit. Manchester, Tennessee. Give credit to that mural over there. I can't read the name on it over there. Tina something. McLean Street. Well, that's a neat little cannon, isn't it? A little artillery piece. Pretty neat, pretty neat. We'll drive through here with the camera on as well. We may drive through with the GoPro, I don't know yet. Again, Manchester, Tennessee. We're taking US 41 south instead of the freeway. It's going to be longer, it's going to take a couple hours, and there's some snaky turns in it. There's some hairpin 180s according to the Google map. Okay, well, let's cut this off. Okay, when we finish our little drive through of Manchester, Tennessee, we may go ahead and put this one together and start uploading it. I don't know that we're going to include it on the US 41. It'll be a partial, but we want to get US 41 south. Pretty old church. So old. No, those, I thought those were old style red lights, but they're not. The church. We need to find a sunny spot to put this together. And, I mean sunny spot. We need to find a shady spot to put this together. And we sort of lost our bearings. Is that 41 over there? I think that's US 41 over there. Yeah, Murfreesboro Highway, yes, it is. Okay, we are going to turn this off. We'll get maybe for about a mile out of town, then we're going to pull over and put it together and start uploading it. Drop over in this right-hand lane. That horn was a lot louder than the siren, wasn't it? Okay, we'll get this for maybe, I don't know, we're leaving town, I guess. We'll get it for about a half mile, cut it off, and start doing the 41 video. Boom shakalaka. US Highway 41, take you all the way down to Miami. Oh, where it goes to north, maybe up Chicago somewhere. There's the Justice Center. They'll deliver justice to you there. You better believe it. Phone may be getting hot already. The screen's getting dark. It may just be adjusting to light, though. I don't know. We will turn it off, start getting this one uploaded, and we'll start recording with the GoPro Black 10. So you gonna come out and go help them? Food Lion, Hardee's, US Bank. I have to put my shades on. We'll be headed south. Well, it's south, yeah, it's sort of bright now. Oh, pinch myself. I want to get a look at Ricky? Not really. Well, there I am. Enjoy it. It'll be short and quick. There. That light almost caught us, didn't it? Yamato Steakhouse of Japan. Suds and Bubbles laundry service. We need to find a shade spot, put this together, and start uploading it. And what kind of connection we have. We just downloaded everything off this one like they got us too, off the GoPro and the Osmo 3. Little Mustang over there. Okay, where are we gonna pull over? Let's go ahead and stop this one and start the US 41 one back.